The electric scooter sharing is becoming more and more popular now. There are 3 electric scooter companies in the USA, including Bird, Spin, Lime, and the Pop Scoot in Singapore. Why the electric scooter sharing became popular? Well, because electric scooter sharing really gives us convenience and saves our time to go to the places that we cannot drive with our car. If you have downloaded the app, just scan the code on the scooter and just spend $1. Then you can start riding the sharing electric scooter anywhere. And there is a big market for the sharing electric scooter. If you want to start the sharing or renting of an electric scooter, how can you start sharing in the electric scooter business? Now we will introduce the sharing electric scooter solution to you. The whole electric scooter sharing solution, including the electric scooter and the module. There is a module inside the electric scooter, and you can install the SIM card to the module. After installing the SIM card, it will have the GPS function, and you can see where the electric scooter is on the map by the app. Then you will know where there are the nearest electric scooters to you. After you find the electric scooter, then scan the QR code. Then the app will connect to the electric scooter. Then unlock access. On this page, you can see how many kilometers you rode and your speed. You can adjust the speed gear to increase or decrease the speed also. Turn on or off the lights. And from the map, you will know the sharing electric scooter's location, and you can go to the settings page also. Failure analysis. You will know the situation of the e-scooter, including the brake, speed governing, motor, and controller. And from this page, you can see your riding expense, duration, and electricity volume. If you click End the car, then you will pay and end the trip, and the electric scooter will lock again. This is the whole introduction about the sharing electric scooter solution, and will help you to start the electric scooter sharing or renting business. If you want to know more details, please contact us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.